So we've got the tea, we use Darjeeling tea. Can't remember where it's from. It may have been from a stay it's either going to be from Brixham? Yeah. Or Brunei. So one of the B's. I'm not sure which. Going to leave this to soak. Maybe we might need a bit more flour later, we'll see. Oh, there's no flour in there at the moment, but we'll see. So that's all of the wet. That's all the dry. I think that's pretty much done.
Yep.
We're going to be pouring this into the tin. Maybe a wet consistency. Okay. First attempt at the Yorkshire tea loaf. It's actually quite soft, so I want to not rip. There you go.
Wow. Looks good.
This is a Bronte cheese that we got with one of our orders, and we're going to have it with this Yorkshire tea loaf. The cheese is actually also from Yorkshire. Oops.